What's up, lane splitters? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the tools that you need to start chopping your bike. We're going to start with the tools that you should already have: sockets, screwdrivers, wrenches, a hammer, vice grip, pliers. And if you're brand new and you don't have any of these tools yet, then I recommend you buy a set from either DeWalt or any other brands. I use this most of the time because it has everything that I need. And I got this when it was on sale for about 100 bucks. Next, we're going to be talking about the tools that you need to start chopping. You're going to need an angle grinder. I got two because one is for cutting and one is for grinding. You don't need two, but if you have extra cash, then it will make your life a lot easier. When I first started, I only had one, and it was annoying to switch back and forth. So invest in two if you have the money. Next, you will need a drill and some quality drill bits to save you time. Trust me, invest in quality drill bits. Next, you need a welder. For me, I have the Miller 211. You don't need the exact machine yet because it's pretty expensive. Instead, buy a cheap flux core welder and learn how to weld first. Once you master the basics and have extra cash laying around, then upgrade to a better machine. Make sure to invest in some quality welding helmet and then protect your face with a face shield. Moving on to electrical. You're going to need a multimeter, a heat gun, a solder gun, wire stripper, electrical tape, and a test light. If you want to bend metal and make your own sissy bar, then definitely invest in a map torch. Also, a good vise is recommended. And you would need some sort of table. I got this table on Craigslist for about 100 bucks. It's a metal table. This is where I do all of my fab work. One trick I got from Vu is to buy a paintbrush and use it to brush off all the metal shavings from cutting and grinding. And if you want to be fancy, then invest in a drill press. I got this one at Harbor Freight. That's pretty much it for all the tools that you need to start chopping your bike. I built Rusty and Dusty with those tools that I mentioned in the video. And you really don't need fancy tools to start building sick bikes. With that said, let me show you guys a tour of my garage. So this is my helmet collection. The first one is TT & Co. The second one is from Thailand that I got from Young. That third one is, you guys know this one, it's the flame one. I love this one. And this is my first ever helmet that I bought from Swap Meet. And this is the Gringo, the Built Well Gringo. I try to be organized, but as you can see, it's not organized at all. This is a group picture from our Highway 36 trip. This is my nuts and bolts that I bought, grade A quality. This is the Legion Cycles banner that was founded by Young. Some Lnspltblvd art that I made. And this banner my girlfriend made for me for my birthday. And just a bunch of random shit that I got overtime. If you guys want to save time, invest in these bolt gauges. So worth the money. Back then I would have to run to Home Depot all the time to figure out the bolt size. But after I got these, man, it's a game changer. Personally, I like to work on my bikes on some sort of movable platform. So I made this bike bench using 4x4s and slapped them together. I added the wheels to make it easy to move the bench around. The original plan for this bike was a quick flip. Since then I've changed my mind and I've decided to give it a full Lnspltblvd makeover. I'll be replacing the rear fender, adding on a sissy bar, rear seat, different tank, new bars, mid pegs, new headlight, and redo the frame. Definitely stay tuned for the upcoming videos. If you guys are new to the chop scene and don't know where to start, a good starting point would be checking forums like Chopquote, or go on Google search and type in your bike's make and model and then add the word forum after it. You can also join Facebook groups. Any question you have will be answered pretty quickly on Facebook. Also use YouTube and Instagram for inspirations. Don't forget to buy a service manual for your bike, just in case you fuck it up. Anyways, that's it for today's video. All the tools that I mentioned in this video will be in the description. If I forgot a tool, please comment below. See you guys next time, and thanks for watching.